YouTube. What's good? It's your boy Jones in the 8, back with another video, back with a banger, man. I know I've been away for a while, but if you're here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the video off top. We about to go get these spacers to complete this wide body kit, and I got some other shit on the way. That's gonna probably be the next video. I've been chilling out for real, but we got some more shit on the way. I gotta get these spacers to bring these wide body wheels, well, to burn the wheels out on the wide body kit. We about to pull up to go get them. I got the bread right here. We did catch them for like a discounted price, so for no reason to order them bitches on the internet. We about to go pull up, get these 2-inch spacers right now. If you're new to the channel, gang, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. We got more bangers. We building up the SRT8. If you didn't know, the Challenger SRT8 with the real goods. Building this bitch up to make it what we want it to look like. I didn't show y'all the car since I put the wide body bumper up there, so I'm gonna make sure that I hop out and show y'all that. But we about to pull up right now, so turn y'all right back on when we there. I think this is street. They say 4702. I think this damn, hold up. Alright, gang, we just pulled off from getting the spacers. We got the big boys, and he did have the lug nuts with me, so that was the thing that I was worried about, was he gonna have the lug nuts. And he did. We got these, I don't know which way it go, like this, Titan accessory wheels. So I'm about to pull up on gang, you know, see if I can use their jack real quick. Try to put these on, cause I ain't got no good jack. So we'll get straight to it, get here and put these fucking spacers on. Bro did short me four lug nuts. Then we got 5, 10, 15, 16 lug nuts. So I'm about to hit this AutoZone and get 4 more lug nuts. 4 more lug nuts right quick. I'm debating if I want to just pull up on the bros and do it, or if I want to goddamn take it to the shop, man. I really don't feel like fucking with it myself, for real, to be honest. But what's the fun in that, man? So we about to do that shit ourselves. You know what I'm saying? See if niggas out there right quick. It is kind of ugly outside. Look like it want to rain. I know y'all can tell. That's what made me just want to goddamn go ahead and pay these niggas. They only said $40 too. Pulling into this AutoZone now. Make sure they got these lug nuts in this bitch. Let's see.
That's our car.
Yeah, we got the first wheel on. Yeah, that shit look crazy from the back. No homo. Tater. We ain't do this side yet. Yeah.
He gonna skip that.
Gotta put these back on, man. That shit look good now, though. That's how it's supposed to be. No doubt.
This side to be on the screen.
That shit look good, right? I know. I know it. That shit look better. Fuck you.
No bullshit. Cause it make your tires sit in.
I know, yeah, I know. That shit is ugly like that, though. No cap.
I was like, that nigga tires.
Shit ugly as hell like that. That's why I had it. I think I put it in the spit. Gotta swing this bitch right quick. Shit don't grab the road like
a lot should be fucking
slide
yeah. Down right.
Alright. That come from burning them damn tires, smoking them bitches. I ain't never rode in the rain. Watch out, man. When you
alright? Rain, nigga be sliding, bro. You might hit the gas hard and shit gonna slide crazy as hell. Woo.
Nope.
Look at that water. Hold on, water. Oh, he did.
You ain't never ride on no wet roads.
Yeah, I mean, shit, rain.
I know,
What the fuck
that's
I
what
supposed
I'm
to do?
saying.
Drive the road before I got
I
down?
was just saying though.
Nigga, crazy.
Nah, I ain't never driving in the rain.
No, I just say I ain't never did no stupid shit in the rain. I ain't never rode in the rain. I ain't never rode in the rain. Cause I be, this shit slide OD in the rain.
Nah, nigga ain't trying to do
It was down. Woo!
But you know what? that's
Oh
what I'm saying,
shit.
with concrete,
Oh yeah, that definitely ain't good no more. My bad.
That shit flat as hell. Dumb as hell. You ain't even put your caps back on.
I know. You put them on when they on the ground.
Oh, they just clap on.
They strew on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you talking?
Oh, they blew on.
Yeah.
You did.
I passed it to you.
Bruno's blood.
Yeah, and they just strews on the outside. Flex.
Nigga don't want me to have shit clean for $10, man.
What's up, dog?
Alright. He don't want me to have shit clean for $10. Look, come on, man. Shit crazy,
I gotta get at
man.
least people, man.
Shit wicked, Rick. Ain't it though, Rick,
About to
man?
get the ones like got this one on. This one. This side about that. But she's still in the ear. Gotta get this last one. So, last way you gonna see it like this before I do it. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is what the space will look like before you put it up there. You know what I'm saying? Put this tire back up there. I know I need some more new tires, especially for the back. Shit look bad. We're gonna put this out there, finish this junk up real quick. All done, man. Hope that motherfucker ain't rubbing. Yeah, we good. We done. Had to turn the wheels, make sure we won't get no rub or no nothing. Look like we good. Let's look on this side. That bitch that close. That close. Y'all can see. She got clearance though. Let's see what's up. Turn the other way. Yeah, so we good, man. Here go the bumper. I ain't never show y'all the bumper. I got my can't tell y'all. But yeah, fuck it. We gonna have the lights coming soon. The upgrade. So you see how them shit's big. New lights coming soon. You know what I'm saying? We gotta fix these motherfuckers. Then we be back. Get it bit clean.